Alright, you're welcome. Can you provide answer to this question? X into brackets 3x plus 4 equals to 4 in just a minute or two. Alright, join me as we do that. This WASSCE 2024 September edition. So picking x into bracket 3x plus 4 equals to 4, we need to expand the left hand side. X times 3x will give you 3x squared. X times 4, 4x equals to 4. Let's transpose the 4 to make it 3x squared, 4x minus 4, leaving 0. Now, when we have a quadratic equation in this form, we are going to use this 3 to multiply the minus 4, and that will give us minus 12. We'll be finding the factors of minus 12. When we add, we get a positive 4. The number being negative and the middle term being positive means that the smallest of the factors will be the negative one. One of them will be a negative. So we'll be having negative 1 and 12 give us minus 12, negative 2 and 6, negative 3 and 4. These are the pair of factors that give rise to negative 12. But you know this will give you 11 by addition, 4 and 1. So we are going to go for this as the factors. Now in our tutorial on quadratic expressions or equations, we deal with two methods, the short cut and the direct expansion. I'm going for the short method, then I will later explain the long process that we talk about. So this is going to be 2 brackets, the x and the first factor minus 2, the x and the second factor positive 6. So this is going to be x minus 2, x plus 6 equals what? 0. But don't forget, before we found the factors, we didn't find the factors of minus 4, but rather 3 times. So we need to divide by that 3 in order to get what we are looking for. So we divide the constant term we have by the 3, so that when we expand, we are expecting to have this. So this is meaning that x minus 2 on 3 is equal to 0, or x plus 2, don't forget this will give you 2, equals to 0. Let's transpose this. X will be equals to positive 2 on 3, or x will be equals to, if we transpose this, minus 2. So right away, our option is going to be option A. So if you want to expand it without the shortcut, it means that you'll be having 3x squared minus 2x plus 6 minus 4 equals to 0. You replace the 4x by the factors you found. This is minus 2x plus 6x will give you positive 4x. So we group them, the first two, the last two. Common factor between this will be x. So when x divide this, you'll be left with 3x. X divide this, minus 2. Common factor will be 2. Dividing this, 3x. Dividing this, 2. So we get 0. The common factors are the term in the bracket. Dividing this by the common factor, you'll be left with x. By the common factor, you'll be left with 2. Equals to 0. So here, your 3x minus 2 is 0. Or x plus 2 is what? 0. You know you will transpose this, right? So x will be equals to positive 2. You divide by 2. Or x will be equals to minus 2 if you transpose. This is going to be 3, sorry. This is the 3 we are dividing by. So you see that we get the same answer as first if we expand using the algebraic approach, or we can use the shortcut. Any approach you find, you'll be able to find the correct answer. Again, this is okay. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.